Hi everyone, my Felicity Jane just came out, waiting for my Cocoa Daisy. My Felicity Jane kit just came in right now, and I want to open this so bad. So this is our card that we get. It says, hi friend. So that's so fun. And I love the new scallop paper. Isn't that fun, you guys? Oh, okay. I was telling my husband, I said, if I had to lose any kits, my subscription kits at this point, I said I will give up everything but this one, because this one I am having a blast with. I am just in love with this company just as much as Cocoa Daisy, but this one I'm like, oh, just can't get enough of it. Okay, so let's see what we get. I didn't even look at any sneak peeks. So puffy alphabets, love that. That is so awesome. I'm waiting for another big sale. Oh, look, you get doubles. That way I can buy more, because it's like more. I want more. Oh, look at the tabs. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. And look at their little scallop tags. Oh, how fun. Tabs. The stamp set this month. Oh, so it's got a checklist, and it's almost like planner also. You can use it for your planner. Oh, this is awesome. It makes it look like you stitched. Oh, I love that. That one's awesome. You know what? I want to say I've seen a couple of things made using that stamp set, and I didn't even know it was in this one. Look at that. That is awesome. So it makes it look like you totally stitched, like random stitches. So, and then here we go. We have the 3x4 cards. Let's see what we get. Oh, I love the colors, and I love the colors of here. I also get Kelly Perky. I get this subscription, Kelly Perky, Cocoa Daisy, Scribble Prints Co. Yeah, I think those are my only subscriptions, and I just love all of them. Kelly Perky, her stuff is a little dark, you know, it's a little, but this, I was almost gonna unsubscribe from them. I was cancel my subscription, but this, because they're so dark, you know, I like color, and so, but I decided to stick with it, and I'm glad I did, because this month she actually brought out color, which was nice. So I'm glad. But if it goes back to being dark, I don't think I really want them. So, but her stamp sets are awesome. That's how come I originally subscribed, was for the stamps. Oh, I love that. My brain is going a mile a minute, because I'm like, I could do so much with this stuff. Oh, look, and I just use these. Oh, I don't have my TNs in here. I'll do a TN share eventually. Oh, I love this. Look at this. Let me see. Can you see it? These are little pocket folders. You see that? Little vellum pocket folders. I just used one of these in my, well, if you go to Mandy Schneider 97 on Instagram, you'll see that the Felicity Jane, I use these little pocket cards. I love that. They're vellum pocket fronts. Oh my god, this is my favorite. This is my absolute favorite. Puffy stickers. Oh my gosh, look at that. Happy, hello, lovely. Oh my gosh, I need to get some more of these for my PL. Oh my god, I love this. This is awesome. Oh, love this company. And you get little sequins. Let me see if you can see them well enough. Ooh yeah, look at that. So pretty. They look like little coins. Really neat. Okay, and then here is the paper. And remember, I cut down all my paper into 4x8, I believe it is. I think it's 4x8. But a standard Dory TN size is what I cut my paper down. So I cut all this down. I'm going to leave, it's a 12x12, but I'm going to leave it like this. That way you can see the pattern. I'm going to leave it zoomed in. Oh, look at that. It's like one big square. Will it focus? Let's see. It's like so many colors. My camera is like going, I don't know if I really liked this or not. Oh, look at the green, the mint. Oh, I love that. The black and white. And the squares. The stars. These look like thumbprints. How cute is that? Gumdrops, thumbprints. So fun. I love the green. The green is very pretty. It's like a pink and hot pink in there, peachy. Some hearts. The solids, and the solids usually have a scallop on the bottom. The two scallops with two solids we usually get. I don't know how to focus this. How do you focus? Okay, let's see. There you go. There you go. See, two scallops. So you have those scallops, and then on the back you have these two color scallops. So pretty. Oh my gosh, I love this kit. Amazing. Amazing. You guys need to subscribe because you will not be disappointed. Oh, this is just, oh, I cannot wait to play any more of these. I seriously need like 4 more of these. Alright guys, this is this month's kit. I could not wait to film this because I want to play tonight. So look for me on Instagram to see what I do with this kit. Alright guys, take care. Have an awesome weekend. Bye.